Hello, guys. This video will show you two methods to change your DSers account password. Let's start with the first method. First, in your DSers dashboard, hover on the account name at the right of the top bar and select Account. You will be taken to your account page. Switch to the Security tab, then click the Edit icon to the right of Password. In the pop-up, input your old password and then your new password and double input it to confirm. Click Save. Now, let's continue with the second method. First, head to the DSers login page and click Forgot Password. In the pop-up, input your account email and click Email Instructions. Go to your email box and open the email named Start Your Business on DSers. Click on Reset Password. You will be taken to the DSers Reset Password page. In the input box, enter your new password and double input it to confirm. Click Reset Password. When you see Reset Password success, your new password is set. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!